Welcome to Instant Cooking. Today I am making Lauki coconut masala. For this we need grated coconut or coconut paste. Now bottle gourd, peeled and chopped. Whole spices, clove, red chili, brown cardamom, small cardamom, black pepper, cinnamon, coconut paste, finely chopped onion, curry leaf, ginger garlic, mustard seed, salt to taste, cumin seed, chopped green chili, garam masala powder, turmeric, chopped tomato, red chili powder and coriander seed powder. So first we have to make a masala. Add 2 to 3 clove, 4 to 5 black pepper, 1 inch cinnamon, 2 green cardamom, 1 black cardamom, 2 red chili, 4 to 5 clove of garlic, 1 inch ginger, half a teaspoon of cumin seed, 4 to 5 teaspoon of coconut paste, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, little water and make a fine paste. Now take a pan, add 2 teaspoon of refined oil, add half a teaspoon of mustard seed, 8 to 10 curry leaf, 1 chopped green chili, 1 medium size onion chopped, cook it till onion is pink. Now add 250 grams of peeled and chopped bottle gourd, mix it well. Add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander seed powder, mix it well. Add 1 chopped tomato, add little salt, add half a cup of water, cover it and leave it for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes you can see the juice of tomato and bottle gourd. Now add the paste we have made, mix it well and cook it for 2 to 3 minutes. We have to add little more salt. Now add 1 teaspoon of garam masala, mix it well. Your Lauki coconut masala is ready. Thank you.